Hello people!
And welcome to Ian and Tina vlog.
Yes, another vlog.
Every day's a new adventure, daylights renewed, embracing those who view the enter, captivated by the vibes of our YouTube channel. Hit subscribe on your YouTube handle, Ian and Tina now.
It's breakfast time, or should I say brunch? It's almost 2 o'clock. Yeah? And it's me sitting in my king's chair. Wife for life is getting ready, and JJ's behind the camera. So, it's Sunday, and Sunday we have our family routine. Family routine. Wife for life did her thing.
All homemade, no Aunt Jemima here.
Right.
So
Everything looks good. I mean, I like what I see in the 3 plates, except, you know, there could be another pancake on mine. And this here is also homemade
syrup.
Yeah, so that's not bad.
We had a bottle of before and we couldn't find it, so I decided, you know what? Make my own.
Make your own. Let's eat and then we get on cam. Yeah. I mean, today's Sunday. We didn't really plan to do a vlog.
No.
But I saw the camera as I went into my office and I thought, well, maybe we should put something together for the day. It's not going to be anything really outlandish and crazy because we have no plans of going anywhere. We're in our house clothes, you know, Sunday clothes, jogging shorts and flip-flops and all that. We're in a bedroom, as you can see. We've been doing a lot to the bedroom.
Yeah.
So let me show. So, well, I'm sure you guys saw our carpet that we laid recently. We put up the portrait that Wife for Life did.
It's blurred out.
And we've got also some others on the wall over there.
Yeah.
But because it's our bedroom, it's all adult themed.
Exactly.
And we've got here 2 frames.
So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to paint that white, although it's already white, but what I'm going to do in it, paint this white inside, and I'm going to put a crown and king.
Right.
And on this one, I'm going to put also, what is it, a crown or tiara?
It's a female crown.
Female crown.
Right.
And put queen. King is going to go here. And queen on the other side.
Right. We've got a few king and queens theme. We've got hats.
We've got t-shirts, hats.
Right.
And what else?
That's it. Well, we've got Mr. and Mrs.
Oh yes, Mr. and Mrs.
That we wore for our, speaking of our Mr. and Mrs. hats.
Yes.
That we wore for our 10th anniversary. Yeah. If you guys been with us long enough, you know that it's September, so it's our anniversary again.
Coming up,
You know, so it's that time for us to sing. Do you know what? Alright, let us get it together, because me and wife does do a little duet. So even though today is not the anniversary, you guys will get an anniversary vlog.
You will.
You know, obviously it's going to be after the anniversary because we don't like to upload while we're on holiday.
We want to enjoy our special day, so.
Right. Yeah. So all you'll get from us now is the Tony version. So
1, 2, 3.
Do you know what today is?
It's our anniversary.
That's all we're giving you. So, we have been married for 11 years.
Yes.
Well, we are edging to 19 years together as a couple. I've been putting up with her for 19 years. But you know what, man? Sometimes it looks like it was just the other day.
It does, actually.
Yeah, sometimes it felt like we just met the other day.
And that's how you know you're a perfect couple, because every day spent with this guy, you know, is you know, when I was a young man, about 22 years old, I had an elderly friend. And he was Trinidadian, and we were talking about spouses and how do you know when the right one is the right one. And he couldn't put it in words for me, but he did say, when you meet the one, you'll know. Exactly.
And I think with us, I think how I know that Wife for Life was the one or is still the one is because it's the first relationship I've been in where every day you're in love. You know, every day you feel, you know, you've been in relationships before where you question the relationship or you're like, why am I with this person, or blah, blah, blah.
Exactly.
Or you may get into little tiffs and then you don't feel that way about the person anymore.
And for those people who, you know, having difficulty finding that certain someone or love, I mean, I was in that position because I was single for a year, had no dates, no nothing. I decided to focus on me, and that's when I met him.
I came along.
So, you know,
there you go. Sometimes the universe has,
send you somebody.
And not only that, I mean, when we met, we realized that we both had the same mindset when it came to relationship. Because I was on the verge of I can't be bothered with relationships.
Well, that was me. I was a year alone, Leah single, and I thought, you know what, this is okay. This is fine for me. If this is the rest of my life, then fine.
And then 19 years later, celebrating 11 years of marriage.
What else are we going to do today?
Well, we don't know what we're going to do today. Today's just random, but what we could say is we're going away for our anniversary. We're going to leave that to be a mystery or a guessing game until we get there. Last year we went to Bali, Indonesia.
This time last year we were in Bali.
Right.
Yeah, I was looking at the pictures and
man,
you know, reminiscing.
Our year went by so quick.
Yes, it did. Just seemed like last month we were.
You know, we're not going to Asia this year.
No.
So we'll give you that clue. But we're going somewhere where it's warm.
Yes.
So, it's going to be special. We're going to share it with you guys as usual.
Take you on the journey with us, you know.
In the last video, we forgot to plug our orange peeling contest.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to throw our orange peeling contest into this video now.
Well, I walked into the kitchen this morning and I seen a...
Oh, let's go. Let's go. That is actually good defense for me, you know? So, this is actually, even though I didn't record it, this is actually a good defense for me because...
I'm looking to see if there's any pieces.
Like, hold this for me. Let me film it as you hold it so I can show. Just like that, and check this bad boy out. This is my peeling. Yeah?
I was actually impressed.
Lift it up a bit, Jay. And some more. Look at that. 100% perfect.
I was looking for breakages.
There's no breakages. That one has no breakages, but as you guys will see in the video that we're about to show you now, Wife for Life and I did our contest and I rated it that we both got about 90%. Yeah. Because we all...
No, because you should have put me 95% and you 90 because a little piece dropped from yours.
Okay, I'll give her that. So I'll take 90 and give her 95 because mine weren't 100. Mine wasn't 100% whole. Hers was, but she flawed by cutting into the orange.
Adding these little, you know, rules.
No, I'm saying if there's any real Jamaican out there watching it, they're gonna say you can't cut the orange if you're peeling it, you know. So anyway, so the whole key is to peel the orange peel without breaking it. Let's see if I still have the skill. And another key is to, in Jamaica we would say, not chip it, meaning you don't want to see the inside of the orange. But it's been a while since I've done this. I need to be more careful. I'm kind of cutting it very cocky at the moment. But confident is also good. So the key is to not chip the orange. You understand what I mean by chip? Alright. And the key is also not to break the orange skin. We're gonna have a competition, so when mom's ready to do her orange, she has to do this. Whoa! Oh, look at that. Almost lost. I already lost that piece right there. But the key is to... So, I have to give myself a 90% rating. That cost me 10% of perfection because I'm supposed to have this as well.
So the aim is to have no,
the aim is to get it all together. So. And the aim is also not to cut the orange before it's peeled. Okay, move around the other side. Yeah. Wow, you're already cutting it up.
well,
That's a part of the point.
oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Getting kind of thin.
Careful.
Tense moment.
Let's
Ooh. Ooh.
Let's see.
Ooh. Oh!
Let's see.
Yeah!
But
I beat the challenge.
no, I wouldn't say you win
Why?
because of this.
If you look on yours, you had
No.
you had some too.
No, I had none of that. That was the whole point. So I would have to. You got this better than me, but I would have to say we tied at 9-9. Yeah, because I got none of that, and I've got just a little.
You had some of that.
No,
You have to look back on the footage.
Look back on the footage and see. All right, now we're in the office,
Yes.
and we've done a little more extra with office. We've put up Wife for Life's magazines that she
Magazine
is.
covers.
Magazine covers, you know, because for all you guys that don't know, I'm an author, but I also have my own publishing house, publishing label. So we've decided to spruce up the office a little bit more. Wife for Life bought me this frame for Survive covers. So I've got to decide where in the office I'm going to put it.
We've been living here a few years now, and it's always had that dull feeling. So we decided to spruce it up a bit.
Well, let's tell the whole story. The reason why we deliberately made it look dull all this time is because, as you guys know, we have a balcony, and Wife for Life and I always wanted a
terrace.
Terrace
Terrace is more like a wider space.
Right, you know, balconies are narrow, and terrace is like, is there another name for it?
It's about the size of this room.
Exactly. So it's what we in Jamaica would call
Yard.
a veranda or a yard, but like a concrete yard. Because it's big like the living room. And we've been waiting for one of those, but it's not easy to get one of those.
No.
You know, as soon as they come in the market,
they go.
They go. We have adapted to the apartment life for the last 7 years.
7 years.
Prior to that, we've been house people.
Saying, well, if you want to live here, you're gonna live in an apartment.
You know, I just never liked apartment. I never thought they were private enough. But considering that we are on the penthouse floor,
you know, we don't hear much.
We don't hear much.
We hear the baby crying from down below. That baby, I'm sorry.
That baby never stops crying.
It's always crying.
You know, but there you go. I did a vlog recently that I actually said babies cry. Today's Sunday, so it's a fun day for me. I'm just I'm watching Netflix at the moment. We're watching Netflix at the moment. We're watching Hip Hop Revolution. Really like Hip Hop Revolution. You know, it's really good. You know,
we watched all of them so far, and this is what, season 3.
I really like Hip Hop Revolution. So we're gonna finish watch that. I gotta cut J-Man's hair at some point today. And that's pretty much it. We just thought we'd throw something on the channel to grace y'all with our presence.
Yeah, don't leave so much of a gap because we have left like the vlog before.
That was about a week.
That was about a week
and something ago.
And then before that was like 3 weeks.
Yeah. So we're trying to narrow the gaps between each video, even if it's about nothing much, just to say, hey.
Hello, we're still here. We're alive.
And we have to welcome our new subscribers.
Yes, exactly.
You know, we've gained about 2 or 3 new subscribers, and we want to say welcome.
Welcome to you, and you know, I hope you continue to watch and enjoy us, and tell your friends about tell your friends about us, you know, tell them to watch us.
Yeah, we'll try our best to keep it entertaining.
Oh, well, that's something that else we could do today, because we need to bring the suitcases up. Or suitcase.
Suitcase. The thing about wife and life, if we go away just for a weekend or 4 days, she wants like a whole bunch of luggage.
Well,
you know?
no, not really, but you know, I like my luggage laid out. You only need one. You can you can have yours in there as well.
Yes.
You don't need to use the backpack.
Yes.
You can share my suitcase.
Yes, because you know, I don't want to be carrying a whole lot of luggage.
No,
you know?
well, it's only for 3-4 days.
Yeah,
so,
and I didn't want to. This is how bad I don't want to carry luggage. I have even refused to bring the drone.
Yeah, well, that is heavy.
You know, the drone is heavy, but it's still a carry-on.
Yeah.
You know, and where we're going is very scenic, but I don't feel like taking the drone. You know, so anyway, that's the wrap for now.
That's a wrap.
So
I hope you enjoyed this
quick
vlog of nothingness. So until next time, people.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. Just log on YouTube to give your brain some new food. We are here in Antina.